All right, surf's up. It's a beautiful day. Sun's out, 6:30. It's 6:45. And there's surf, so I'm out of here. So here it is, 6 hours later. I surfed. I had late breakfast with a friend that I surfed with, Dave, and then I went to jiu-jitsu, and here it is, 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm back at it, just settling in with a little coffee and after drinking lots of water, and gonna work for a couple more hours and then do it all over again tomorrow. This is the day in the life of a bookkeeper. Hope you have a good day. Bye.